Hey, I'm Karl, your San Diego Realtor, here to take you on a tour of a beautiful home in Ocean Beach, a super desirable neighborhood in San Diego that's obviously one of our beach towns. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with an additional bonus room, and it comes in just over 3,100 square feet. The listing agent, Barbara Blakely at Keller Williams, was so wonderful to allow me to do this tour, and I am so very excited to show you this one. If there's one word I could use to describe this property, it's consistent. They were consistent with the style throughout the entirety of the home, and it just makes everything look very cohesive, like it's supposed to be this way. And they did a wonderful job. Let's go ahead and jump into the tour so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. I think you'd agree with me that this home was absolutely stunning, coming in just at 2.5 million. You are walking distance to the beach. You also have all of the happenings in OB just a skip down the road. Now, there are a number of details that I really appreciate about this property. One thing is I love the 6-inch baseboards wrapped around the entire house. It very much goes with the style that this home represents, and the fact that they went with white and a like soft gray paint just really makes it pop between the walls and the flooring. Next, outside this big sliding glass door that's in the living room, you have this lattice with these plants on it, and they are fake plants, but I like this attention to detail because it creates an extra sense of privacy so that the neighbors right next door can't immediately look into your place, and at the same time, you can't really see what they're doing on that side either. Something you'll notice is that in all the bedrooms, they have a ceiling fan as well as in the living room. In addition, they also have these AC registers, and the house operates off of a split AC system. So outside they have a bunch of condensers around the house that allows you to cool the areas specifically. So if someone likes it really icy when they sleep, they can just cool that room. Now, something to keep in mind, the Point Loma pause, if you can hear it right now, it's something that when you're in the area you become dead into, but if you're moving from out of the area, this will take a second, and only a second, to get used to. Now that's it for this tour. I hope you love this home. Now, if you're interested in taking a private tour of this home or looking at any other homes in the area, go ahead and contact me directly. If you're thinking about buying or selling anywhere here in San Diego, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, I'm Karl, your San Diego Realtor. I'll see you in the next video.